kids, welcome to Kids Learning. Today we are going to learn about the first aid box. Let's start. First aid box help you handle the medical emergencies as quickly as possible. In an emergency, a delay of just a signal minutes can cause irreversible damage. These boxes offer basic and instant care for common medical injuries like injuries, burn, cuts, etc. Thermometer, tweezers, painkillers, scissor, inhaler, blood pressure monitor, ointment cream, sugar blood monitor, safety pins, adhesive tape, non-latex gloves, cotton pads, plastic bandage, disposable mask, ice packs, hot water bag, antiseptic wipes, antiseptic, cotton swab, antiseptic cream, gauze, iodine. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids. Have a nice day.